Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this deliciously thick, flavoursome tomato soup. So I'll start by preparing some veggies. I'll peel one carrot. I want to slice it quite thinly so that it cooks quicker. I've washed half a stick of celery and I'll slice that thinly as well. I've cut half a leek in half so it's easier to wash. I'll chop that into slices as well. And lastly, I've peeled one garlic clove and I'll slice that up as well. So now I've warmed 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll add to that 1 tablespoon of butter. I've got the heat on a low setting at this point. Now I'll throw in all the chopped veggies and I just want to gently sweat them down and release all those delicious flavours. After a few minutes, the veggies have cooked down quite a bit, and now I'm going to add the chopped garlic clove. So I allowed the garlic and the vegetables to cook together under a low heat for about 2 minutes. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of plain flour and a tablespoon of tomato paste and allow them to cook out for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 tin of plum tomatoes. Just give that all a good mix. I like my tomato soup to have a little bit of a beefy taste, so I'm just going to crush in 1 beef stock cube, but you could use a veggie stock cube for that if you wanted to make this. Kettle's already boiled, so I'm just going to add the boiling hot water. If it's too thick, then I'll just simply add some more water. At this point, I've turned the heat right up. I'll turn the heat down now and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes with the lid on. I'll keep an eye on it and stir it every few minutes. So it's been simmering away for 15 minutes and the veggies are nice and soft. I'm just going to add some brown sugar to taste. For me, I find 2 teaspoons to be enough. I'll give that a little stir, take it off the heat and blend until smooth. Now I'm just going to add a little seasoning, some white pepper and salt. And here I've just added a little bit of coconut milk for extra creaminess. And there it is, delicious homemade tomato soup, affordable, packed with flavours and good for you. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.